Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to view JSON format on VS Code in just a couple of minutes. First, create a new file by going to File in the top menu bar and clicking New Text File. Once the blank editor opens, paste your JSON content into it. At this point, the text will just look like plain unformatted text. Now you need to tell VS Code that this is a JSON file. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux. That's Command plus Shift plus P on Mac to open the command palette. Start typing the word change, and you'll see Change Language Mode appear in the list. Click on that, then select JSON from the language options. Once you do that, you'll see the syntax highlighting appear, and you'll also see the current language mode displayed in the status bar at the bottom of the editor. Now here's the key step, formatting the JSON so it's actually readable. Right-click anywhere in the editor and select Format Document from the context menu. The JSON will instantly format with proper indentation and line breaks. VS Code uses two-space indentation by default. Once your JSON is formatted, you can navigate through it using the folding icons in the gutter between the line numbers and your code. Click the small arrows to collapse or expand sections. This is especially useful for large JSON files with nested objects and arrays. If you hover over properties and values, VS Code will show you additional context about the data. For really large files, you can quickly jump to specific properties by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus O on Windows or Linux, or Command plus Shift plus O on Mac that opens the Go to Symbol menu. If you want formatting to happen automatically every time you save, open Settings by pressing Ctrl plus comma or Command plus comma, search for Format on Save, and enable that option. VS Code also validates your JSON structure in real time. If there's a syntax error, you'll see red squiggles showing you exactly where the problem is. And if you want a visual tree view instead of the standard code folding, you can install extensions like JSON Viewer or JSON Crack from the Extensions panel, though the built-in formatting and folding features are usually enough for most tasks. That's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.